welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today we are going to see function wear sarees. Lots of videos we've been seeing casual wear and normal wear, so office wears. So this time we thought we'll show you nice function wear sarees. Very lovely sarees, and it's not too very expensive also. All somewhere below the 2000 range, nothing more than that. 2000, 2100 would be the maximum. So, and it's going to be lovely collections what you are going to see. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. It's again a classy piece, a tissue chanderi saree, very soft and nice material, and a very beautiful design. Looks awesome. Both the sides, it's a nice reddish, it's not very bright red, it's more of a reddish maroon color. Very pretty one. And the body is completely a weave design in copper. The weaving, you have a slight shine, and above that the weaving is completely in copper based design, so it makes the saree more subtle and beautiful. Very pretty pattern. And the pallu of the saree is this, and we have a nice blouse for this saree, a jacquard blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 2060. It's a nice violet color jute silk saree, very pretty material, and it's again a very flowy material, just falls, very beautiful and nice material. Both the sides we have a shimmer pattern design, the borders is all shimmer. It's neither weaving nor it's just shimmer. I think it's been just slightly weaved on that. And throughout the body we have a beautiful embroidery which has been done. It's a small peacock motif, very pretty one, pretty design, simple but elegant and rich. And the pallu of the saree is this, with tassels in the corners, a beautiful tassels. And the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1800. Such a lovely wow combination, a light elaichi green, very different shade. In these kind of materials you get such different shades. It's again a long border pattern. Bottom part, it's a long border with alternative pattern design in the border. On the other side it's a small border, and the body material is a tissue kota. It's slightly a bit transparent. You have to pleat it. When you single pleat it, it will be a bit transparent. And throughout the body it's a peacock motif, very pretty material and a very different design. Though it's a kota material, the material of the saree is very flowy and a soft material. This is the lovely pallu, a pink pallu, a grand one. And again the blouse is going to be a rich blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, a jacquard blouse, and the price of the saree is 2120. It's a beautiful sapphire green, quite a nice bright color. Sometimes this color in the video it might be slightly different, but it's a very pretty nice peacock green color, a sapphire green. This is a jute silk material, very flowy and very soft, nice rich material. Both the sides we have a kadi border, the border has been just done in a very mild manner, a golden border. And throughout the body it's a lovely material. We have a beautiful embroidery which has been done along the body. This is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu. And the blouse of the saree is a plain blouse. And the price of the saree is 2250. It's a lovely gold tissue saree, a very mild one. It's not very bright gold. It's a very subtle design, very pretty, and it will be classy when you wear it. Both the sides is small border and a darker gold shade. And throughout the body we have a cute simple motif which has been running along the saree in chakra pattern. Very pretty and elegant saree, and the designs are very subdued. This is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse is very nice and different. It's horizontal lines pattern. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1500. It's a lovely light sandal with a pink combination tissue kota saree, slightly a transparent material. Both the sides we have a pink border in golden zari weaved. Both the sides it's the same length of the border, and throughout the body we have a beautiful weaving which has been done along the sari in golden and meenakari work. Beautiful meenakari work has been done along the sari, which makes the sari a bit rich and grand. These are all like no more a function wear saris. This is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu, and the blouse of the sari is also jacquard blouse, a grand blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1600. This is a lovely chanderi material, a dark blue combination, very beautiful pattern. We have a long border in the bottom part, and the border is a very different one. Like no, you have a small alternative borders, very pretty and a different model this is. On the other side it's a small border, and throughout the body we have a small peacock design which has been running along the sari. And the flow of this material is also very nice. Like no, you can just pleat it like this, it will look really pretty on you. This is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu, and even the blouse is so grand. You don't need to work on these blouses, they are by themselves very rich and grand. A nice jacquard blouse in pink, and the price of the sari is 2100. This is chanderi silk material, a beautiful soft material, silver pattern design completely, a peachish pink. Both the sides we have one side it's a big border, and the other side it's a small border, and throughout the body we have silver weaving. This is completely a silver pattern, silver weaved pattern. Silver is completely in trend now. Beautiful pattern and beautiful design. And this is the pallu of the sari, a rich pallu, and again the blouse is also a nice rich jacquard blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1080. We have some lovely combinations in this pattern. I'll show you the other colors. First one was a peachish pink. The second is a beautiful blue color. Nice blue. This is a lovely blue, a ink blue or a light navy blue in that silver weaving design which has been completely done. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is again like the pallu. This is the blouse of the sari. The next is a nice color combo, a nice green, a beautiful green, slightly a fluorescent green in that silver weaving. Very pretty and nice color combo. And this is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse will again be a jacquard blouse for this sari too. I'll show you the blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, a nice blouse, and the price of the sari is 1080. This is again the same pattern. This is the body of the sari. It's a sapphire green, very nice shade, a beautiful design. One side a big border, and the other side it's a small border. And this is the pallu of the sari, a nice pallu, a very pretty one, and the blouse will be like the same design as the pallu, and the price of the sari is 1080. We have one more color combo in this, a beautiful pinkish red. It's neither red nor pink. Very lovely color combo. This is the body of the sari, a lovely design. One side is a big border, other side is a small border, a pretty design. This is the pallu of the sari, and again the blouse will be same as the pallu design. This design will be the blouse of the design again for this sari also. A very rich classy pattern, and the price of the sari is 1080. It's such a wow sari, and the flow of the material is just superb. It's a tissue mixed chanderi sari. Slightly you'll have a shine in the body of the sari, but it's very subtle and very neat and classy sari. Very ideal for any parties. Both the sides it's a contrast green color border, a small length border, a 3-inch border, and throughout the body a beautiful motif which has been running along the sari in copper, so it makes the sari more simple and elegant. The design is completely in copper weaving, very pretty one. And the pallu of the sari is this rich pallu. And again the blouse is also very, very nice and neat. This is the blouse of the sari in green color. And the price of the sari is 2060. Lovely material. It's a beautiful matka silk material. The flow of this material will be so soft. Very, very nice material. Both the sides we have a copper zari border. Very pretty combination. The body is completely a lovely mango yellow. A nice, pretty, vibrant color. And throughout the body we have a beautiful floral pattern which has been running along the sari. And the pallu of the sari is this a rich pallu, like in copper zari, since it's a copper zari, the zari is very, very subdued and very pretty. And the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1680. We have some different lovely combinations in this pattern. I'll show you the other colors. Next comes a beautiful grey. This is a very, very nice combo. A nice grey shade with copper zari border. A beautiful design. Very, very pretty, and a subtle color and a subtle design. And throughout the body it's a floral pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this. A nice simple pallu. And we have a nice contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. And the price of the sari is 1680. The next color combinations in the same pattern. It's a mustard shade. It's a beautiful mustard. And since it's all copper zari, the zari is very, very subtle and makes the sari classy. This is a beautiful color, a mustard color with a copper zari, and throughout the body it's a floral pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this, and a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1680. Next color is going to be very nice color, a beautiful navy blue with copper zari. Very, very nice ones. All these saris are looking so good, so pretty, and very different. The material by itself is very different. A very, very beautiful combination. Dark navy blue with copper zari, and the body is completely a floral pattern. Beautiful pattern. And the pallu of the sari is this, a simple copper zari pallu, and a very, very contrast blouse. Beautiful contrast blouse, and the price of the sari is 1680. And we have one last color. That's a beautiful green, a bottle green. Lovely color combination. Bottle green with copper zari. This is the body of the sari. A pretty design and a pretty color. A beautiful floral pattern in the body which makes the sari very classy and nice. And the pallu of the sari is again, this is the pallu of the sari, and a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1680. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you'd have liked the beautiful function wear saris. Very, very pretty and nice, different designs and different materials what we have showed in this video. To purchase the sari, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.